So this comment read, they will commit all sorts of frauds and turn around to blame the government, the developers. Now, if you are conversant with what is happening on internet, you will definitely understand what they mean as indie developers. Before I go into detail to tell you about this crime and who this person is, indie developer is referred to indie Igbo because Igbos are claiming that they follow developed Lagos. That Lagos is not just only about Yorubas that develop it. We know that Lagos is the former British colony, become Nigeria capital, just like as Abuja is now. Nobody will reach tomorrow and be claiming that Gwari people are the one that developed, Abuja. Indi Igbo still follow develop Abuja, and that's what the Igbos have been claiming. So they always use it to gaslight us, so that you will know where this statement is coming from. Now, an Igbo man was caught with fraud, but funny enough, this Igbo man is part of that Igbo man that claims that he's not Igbo. Okubo, who entered India with fake passports, fake visa, and counterfeit US dollar. Okubo Ikechukwu Nathan, that's his name, carrying the passport from Agbo, is a man who they caught in India with fake passport, fake visa, and counterfeit dollar. Now, did you see that both Sahara and the person commented, do not come and tell us, say, Agbo is not evil. Did you see what we are saying? Exactly. I told you, your enemy knows you more than you know yourself. I go lie for you. If you like, hit your wall on the wall, hug transformer. Your enemy knows you more than you know yourself. It's not like you don't know that your enemy knows you. You are just deliberately suppressing it because in your mind, you have self-hate. Because you so much hate who God has made you to be. People have gaslighted you to believe that you are not supposed to accept who God made you to be. I want to give you an example. Today, in Nigeria and worldwide, everybody see the Fulanis as a bandit, as a terrorist, and as a land grabber. But you never will see any Fulani deny his origin. You will never will see any Fulani deny that he's not a Fulani. Instead, we say not all Fulani are the same. Not all Fulani are bad. And which is true. We cannot dispute the fact that not all Fulani are bad. We cannot dispute the fact that not all Fulani are terrorists. We cannot dispute the fact that not all Fulani are wicked. We cannot dispute the fact that not all Fulani are even Muslim. There are still Christians who are Fulanis, genuinely following God. There are still some Fulanis who are genuinely following to kill their fellow Fulani for doing jihadists. So these are facts. Even though we are saying that majority of them are on this other negative side. But you today, they made you believe that Igbos are this, Igbos are that. But you are the one, part of the ones who are doing it. Now, I understand that somebody can be ignorant, that the people will promise him that will do passport and visa for him and give him dollar to travel. I understand that some of you are ignorant and they will do it to you and give it to you. Or some of you intentionally know that you are having a fake passport, a fake visa, and a fake money, but you believe that you can be the traffic. And now you have succeeded to be the traffic in Nigeria, be the immigration, be the custom, be the check-ins in Nigeria and travel. So you believe that if you reach India, it will go school. And some of you believe in jazz. You have done some cooking. They will not see, the computer will fail. They don't tell you to talk and all those things. Yes, I understand. But the important thing I want to drag in this message is this. You are an Igbo man and you are the one disgracing the Igbo. But people in your family are going to be outside telling us, even including your king, Obi of Agbo, Obi Ikechukwu, the same name that you bear. The same name that you bear, Ikechukwu, is one telling people say, Agbo Igbo. Agbo is not Igbo. Ndi developers, oya. Ndi developers, Ndi Igbo, oya, see them. They have already robbed you, join Southeast immediately. Even when you are in South. They have already dragged you just at it. Imagine say they won't lead you in Lagos. They caught you with this kind of fraud. They won't lead you in Lagos. Would they say no, he's not an Igbo man? And funny enough, Igbos will fight for you because when they hear say, in name Naikechuku, in name Nikubo, Igbo, Southeast Igbo will defend you. But when because we are the ones that will come outside and be insulting people like us, that Igbos are paying us, that we are trying to drag everybody to Igbo. Allah ya pubunu. That is why they will start catching all of you so that you're rotting in jail. You'll be the one and be messing up. As well, you are the ones, they are Nyomas, minority. To compare to yours, yes, I don't say that Nyoma is minority. You are big, but your bigness is not to compare to all of the Southeast. Yet, small part of Ika or small part of Yokwan will be the one coming online to be saying this and that. I see some people making comments. There will not be any state to be created. Nedwoko is not coming back. What concerns me whether Nedwoko come back, it did not come back? Am I the one that made him to start running for election? Many of you are just ignorant because you don't know your left and right. As Nedwoko is, in the next 50 years, if the man live up to another 50 years, join to the Asia, he will never lack anything. But now you, the thing they pay for head, he will not go back. As if the man, you know what the man say, if I go this way, I'm not going to go again. You think everybody's like you, that want to die on the power? Some people want to resign after doing what they want to do. People like B2B that say they want to rule for 4 years and resign. People like Alesoti that say they don't want to collect money but do the work and resign. But yet there's some people in Abia State that are fighting against him. Go to APC campaign to say Alesoti will not do. So there are people like you who doesn't want good thing. That is why the blocks why. Even who che what on a to bo. Siana. You people, your family members, including your kings, are part of those who are claimed they are not evil. But today you committed a crime they called evil. So we are only evil when it is evil. But you are not evil when it is good. That is what you people are. Let me see if you claim me that you are more innocent than the Southeast. You know why I don't like the Southeasterners? They are desperate for money. They commit crime. As if you know they are family. That is how we have been saying it. Something will be happening in your family. You will never talk about your own. I've asked it many times. Southeastern Igbo, they do ritual. Can we put our hand in chest that we will not get people in a car, anyone and Okwan, who has killed their own brothers for ritual purpose or for money purpose? Are they not there? But every time you point finger, I said it to one of my videos. The reason why people believe there's ritual money is because of we in the Asaba. The Nollywood that we're producing in Asaba is the champion of telling people that Igbos are ritualists. The only industry we have in the whole of Anyoma that is viable internationally is the industry that are selling Igbo short, selling Igbo negative, selling Igbo as evil. Because that video is where you see people telling you that you go to abroad to do fraud. Then the next thing, Jesus win devil. Or this one type person belle. Now we in the Anyoma, they produce things where they discredit Igbo as the bad people. Innocent. Now the reality are checking. Are we saying that Igbo are innocent? No. As every family has an evil person. There is no family without a bad uncle. We keep saying it here on internet. No family can be today say they don't get one uncle where they don't like for their family. Or one auntie where they say they don't like their family because the auntie they wicked. But all of you will keep pointing finger. Yet you keep pointing finger to only Southeastern Igbo, forgetting you are the problem. This morning I posted the video of Chukuma and Zogo from Opanam. He is the one that people claim that conducted, that champion and executed the coup of King Satan of Sokoto. But when the thing happened, in Southeastern Igbo that were killed and massacred, over 40,000 of them in the program that led to Brethren War. Today all of you will come, including George Onibo from the same Eka, will come and be saying Igbo people are trying to force us to join IPOB. But you are the cause. You are the cause. If you say thunder or cause, they follow people. Now, cause that Igbo Southeastern Igbo for the law of that, and if that affect all of us. If you say cause, where people they cause, they affect people. Yeah, I don't believe it affect, because if it affect people who don't cause politicians, if that affect them, but you know they work. You know they work. If you say they work, they don't cause them, because the problem with South has caused for the Igbos. It's not last week here. There's a crisis in River State. It is still Southeastern Igbo they blame. Still Southeastern Igbo. Everybody's blaming. Cowards that will be. None of us will come out and say, stuff in certain Southeastern Igbo. Now we equate people, now we cause them. Now we decided to kill those outside people. Now we change them, say they no go they kill a TV man in our presence. Make we allow them. Cowards. As I read there, they instigate, saying that in Southeastern Igbo they do IPOB. Meanwhile, the real people are protesting, they don't want outside in their land though. Is it Southeastern that they're protesting? Now today again, another thing has happened. When I start to say that none of you will see this post and come and say, of a truth, we are not Igbo, but we are not Igbo. So this guy will commit this thing. Now people now commit them. Now will commit them. Stop insulting the developer, insulting the car. None of you will come and say it. All of you will keep mute, let's say you know see him. And that is why a person like me will bring it to you to let you know that you are very shameful. It's shameful that you bring disgrace to the entire family and want to remove your exonerate yourself from the equation. Only when it comes to evil, you accept that you're able because you want the majority to defend you. But when you do good, or when we are talking about good, you are angry. A state that will benefit all of us, you're angry because they will call it Southeast. But here you are, people are treating you the way they are treating Southeast. It's not for you to embrace it and say, for a truth, if I did not make myself, why am I rejecting it? What is the difference? If you are still calling me Southeast when I am not, why can't I join them and be bold for it? After all, they are more developed than us. They are more developed than us. It's on it, it's Obosi and Ogidi, even Obaru and Oba. Are they no more developed than Abo? Can Abo beat in hand in chest that are more developed than these places that have called in Anambra State? I go lie for you. I be got a boss. I want to develop time because if not because Okowa is a governor, he won't have read that. How many of these villages that I call have produced governor in Anambra State? But go to those places and see how developed they are, how industrialized they are. Newi industry, they produce enough material that Nigeria is exporting out of this country, giving people job and industrialization. Can we talk of that in any part of Anyoma? Even though we have oil well in Okwan, can we boast? Now crime that they see us. We will accept say Igbo. Say I cannot be Igbo. Make I see who go come talk and next time for my post. Allah puwi. Kita la chayike. See, una need me the head una. I'm out of here, Joe.